Hey guys, what's up? It's Melanie here. Today I'm gonna be doing another meal prep, high protein style as always, but I thought it would be fun and a little bit different to do a snack edition. So today's meal prep is gonna be snacks only. I don't know about you, I find that if I don't have things ready to go, prepped ahead in my fridge, I am just craving all of the wrong things and I'm not eating enough protein in the day. I just wanna have some healthy options, some sweet and some salty. You know, girls got cravings and we gotta cover all of our bases here. If you guys wanna try any of the recipes, I will link them all in the description below. All right, let's meal prep. Okay, so I've already gotten into these. Bomb. So good. I have yet to try the deviled egg, so I'm gonna try it right now. And the cottage cheese crackers, I don't know what to call them. The cottage cheese crisps. I think you're supposed to let them fully cool before removing them from the pan, so I'm just gonna give them a few minutes before I even attempt to have a bite of those because they definitely aren't quite crispy yet. So let's try this egg. Oh, those are my favorite. My kids are gonna devour those. Okay, I'm going to do my best to get this off of the parchment. But again, you're supposed to let these cool. These have not cooled yet. I just cannot wait to try these. Oh yeah. Oh, you gotta do it with the bagel seasoning. Oh, yes. Well, hopefully today's video will give you some new high protein snack ideas, whether you meal prep them at all or just pick one recipe and try it out. All of these recipes are so good. I highly recommend them, and they're all linked in the description box below. And if you like today's video, make sure you hit the like and subscribe. Bye for now. See you next time.